Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about create database statement in SQL. So the create database statement is used to create a database, and the syntax is first you have the create database keyword, and after that we have the name of our database, and then we have to put one semicolon at the end. Like an example, to create one database called my database, so the syntax is first you have the keyword create database, and after that we have the name of our database, which is my database, and after that we have to put one semicolon at the end. This way it will create one database called my database. Now to execute that statement, we can either use the command line tool of Mysql, or we can use the Mysql Workbench. So the command line tool is not that user friendly, so we're gonna use the Mysql Workbench, which is the official graphical user interface tool for MySQL. Under the MySQL connections, we have to click on the root profile, and then we have to put our password, and then we have our MySQL Workbench. From here we can execute all of our MySQL commands. And the main advantage of using MySQL Workbench is that we have one better graphical user interface than the traditional command line tool. Here the user interface is divided into few of the sections. In the middle we have the query section where we execute all of our SQL commands, and in the right we have the SQL additions, and in the bottom we have the output section. In the left we have the navigator section. In the bottom left we have the information section. We can modify this layout by clicking on these buttons. We can hide the right section, we can hide the bottom section, or even we can hide the left section also. So I'm gonna need the output section, so I'm gonna unhide that. Here we have lot of the options. We can save our file, we can execute our commands with just one click of a button. Now in the query section we're gonna write our statement to create one database. So we're gonna write create database and then the name of the database, so we're gonna call it my database. And now to execute that statement we have to click on that button, and this will execute the statement which is under the cursor. So I'm gonna click on that. So we have successfully executed our command. And now to check whether our database has been created or not, we're gonna use the command show databases, and we're gonna click on that execute button, and you can see it has shown all the available databases, and you can see the my database has been created. So this is the way we can use the create database statement, and we can create our own database. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.